Hi class, welcome to Vegan 101, taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. The changing of seasons brings new seasonal produce. During the summer, there are many other fruits and vegetables you should buy on your grocery runs. Today, we're going to explore the best summer produce items. Let's dive into the lesson. Apricots. Apricots have been shown to improve heart health, strengthen bones, improve metabolism, and treat anemia. They are rich in fiber and are, therefore, good for smooth bowel movements. The impressive health benefits of apricots are due to the high vitamin content. Cherries. Cherries possess an anti-cancer compound and are high in vitamins A and C. Also, eating cherries may help boost melatonin levels in your body, which can improve sleep quality. Figs. These fruits exhibited an ability to lower cholesterol, control diabetes, strengthen bones. They also work to combat indigestion. Watermelon. Watermelons have antibacterial and anti-cancer properties. Watermelon has been shown to reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and improve athletic performance. Onions. Onions contain a naturally occurring chemical, which has been found to promote bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. They also contain high levels of antioxidants that help lessen free radical damage. Red onions can also help to lower blood sugar levels. Summer squash. Squash is an important source of many nutrients, including vitamin C, magnesium, and other antioxidants, which help to neutralize free radicals throughout the body. Squash has been shown to boost the immune system and improve lung and heart health. Look for these produce items that are in season this summer. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.